How to bold text on Twitter. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech TV. In this short video, I will show you guys how you can bold your text on Twitter. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Firstly, go on any browser you have and type YeBold. Once you search for it, click on the first link that you get. Now scroll down and here in the box of your text, enter your text you want to post on Twitter, and in the second option here you can see the option of bold serif. On the dart, there are the three options, from which click on the second option that says copy. Once you copy your text, finally go to the X application and click on the plus button. Again click on post option, and now finally here you can paste that text you copied. So there you have it. In this easy and simple way you can bold text on Twitter. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.